Hey, I'm James from Genuine, and today we're going to talk about the Genuine Roughhouse 50, the toughest 50cc scooter on the road. Built for adventure, the Roughhouse is ready for anything you throw at it. This rugged 50cc scooter is built for adventure. It features aggressive styling, durable construction, and plenty of two-stroke power to handle both city streets and off-road terrain. Discover why the Roughhouse 50 is the toughest scooter in its class. Let's take a closer look at the Roughhouse styling. As you can see, we have a dual lens headlight with the classic bug eye look for an off-road scooter. You also have polypropylene plastic panels down here in case you're riding off-road, hit branches and stuff. You're not going to scratch your paint. The lower section of the bike has this matte polypropylene plastic. We have a high fender, so if you're riding off-road, you get some mud or dirt under there, you're not going to rub against the tire as you ride. No slip seat, and you can see it comes with a rear rack already included, some grab handles, so if you want to grab it off the side stand, makes it easy to maneuver. If you're carrying this, say, for example, to the campground or off the back of your truck because you want to go do a little bit of dirt road riding or something somewhere away from your house, it makes it easy to maneuver. The Roughhouse 50 comes in 4 colors. We have Zephyr Silver, Gloss White, Matte Black, and as you can see, a new Desert Tan. This is a great earth tone, and I think you're going to enjoy this new color that we're introducing this year. The Roughhouse 50 comes with a high mount fender, very flexible. So if you bump into stuff on your off-road adventures, you can be confident that it's not going to crack or break. Also, it's got this matte polypropylene finish, so it won't get scratched up. It's got plenty of clearance between the tire and the fender as well in case you get mud or other dirt and debris underneath. You can see the forks come with fork protectors that protects your seals from dust and dirt and wear, and nicks also on the fork sliders. That's a nice feature. And as you can see, 12-inch large diameter aluminum alloy wheels. This helps absorb bumps when you're on a more rugged surface. And you can also see the great dual sport tread pattern. Gives you plenty of grip on the street, but if you're in a dirt or grass area, say you're on a campground or a back road and you're ripping around having a good time, you'll still have enough knobs to grip and make sure that you're having a great time. As you can see, the Genuine Roughhouse comes with a nice high grip seat, so you're not sliding around when you're bouncing around off-road. Sometimes the bumps want to throw you off to the left or right or up or down, and this seat has great surface adhesion. Also, as we discussed a little bit earlier, you have these great grab locations, so you can really get your hand underneath the scooter, move it around if you want to, pop it up and on and off the center stand, or you're taking it off a trailer or something. Really helps you maneuver this vehicle. And then at the rear, you can see we already have a rear rack installed on the vehicle. It's got nice little attach points here for bungee cords or a bungee net even, that you may want to strap stuff to the back of your bike. Really great feature. You can also use this to maneuver the bike as well. It's got a great grab handle at the back. Let's take a look at the back of the Roughhouse 50. Here you can see we have a long tail fender, and this helps, along with the fender hugger underneath, helps prevent you from spreading dirt on your friends as you rip around on a dirt road or maybe having fun at the campground. And as you can see, I maneuver the bike quite easily with this rear rack grab portion. We also have smoked lens covers on all the turn signals. It gives it a nice, cool aesthetic. The Roughhouse 50 has a nice large coil spring rear shock with adjustable preload. You can just move this left or right to set this sag on your vehicle. Increase the preload if you are riding on bumpier terrain or you have heavier loads. And you can see a nice thick coil spring. The Roughhouse suspension is built for any off-road adventure you may want to take. All right, let's check out the storage underneath the Roughhouse 50 seat. As you can see, very large storage capacity. It's a work day, and I always bring my lunch. My trusty Lemonhead lunch pail fits underneath the seat, as well as a full face helmet. So when I get to work, I just simply throw my full face helmet underneath here, and off I go. One of the other cool features of the Roughhouse are these two helmet D-ring pins. And as you see here, they're large pins located at the front of the seat bucket. So if you get to your final destination, you're going in to, say, grab a coffee or something, and you have other stuff stored underneath the seat, you can simply slide your D-ring over this pin located on the seat bucket and close the seat and latch it. And your helmet will stay securely attached to the scooter. Nobody can come take it. It's a great storage feature for when you got lots of stuff you're carrying. All right, the upper left portion of the inner leg shield, you can see we have a convenient storage space. Here, it's plenty of space to hold a water bottle, coffee cup, or some other object you may want to put in there, maybe your gloves. Also, we have a convenient USB storage, USB charging port. Lift up the rubber plug and just plug in your USB cord here. Very convenient if you have an Eagle Claw cell phone holder and you want to power your phone while you're on a ride. It's a great feature of the Roughhouse 50. Let's take a look at the controls on the Roughhouse 50. Here you can see we have comfort grips. They fit the palm of your hand. They're molded as such so that when you're riding on bumpy roads and for long rides, you got very comfortable grip. Kill switch located at the top, hazard switch in the middle, and this is the start button below. You can see the dash. It's very minimalist because you're supposed to keep your eyes on the road and on the adventure ahead, not staring at your dashboard. But we have nice carbon fiber look background, speedometer on the left, fuel gauge, and some other indicators on the right, and the odometer down below. On the left-hand side, we have the high beam. This is low and high beam switch at the top. Turn signal in the middle with the cancel button. And at the bottom, we have the horn switch. All right, this bike comes with a hydraulic front disc brake. You can see a 180 millimeter large diameter front rotor, and it's vented. And that helps you if you're bombing down hills. It helps dissipate heat and prevent your brake rotor from warping under heavy load conditions. Roughhouse 50 comes with a powerful two-stroke motor. For those of you who don't know, two-stroke motors deliver more power per displacement than the traditional style four-stroke motors. Also, we have a manual kickstart here. This bike does come with electric start, but in the event that you kill your battery some way, or you just feel like kicking your bike to life, you got a manual kickstart option here. This is a long case motor that accommodates a 12-inch wheel. And this two-stroke motor will deliver plenty of power for whatever adventure you may want to go on. The high-output 50cc two-stroke motor delivers quick acceleration and very high top speed. The Roughhouse 50 is restricted to 30 miles an hour for those of you who live in moped states and want to register your vehicle as such. But some of us may want to ride off-road only, or some of us may live in motorcycle states and moped laws do not apply. In those situations, the Roughhouse 50 can be made to go 40 miles an hour. The two-stroke motor delivers lightning quick acceleration and power for any city commute or off-road detour you may want to take. Are you ready to ride? The Genuine Roughhouse 50 is ready for you. It's built for adventure and it has plenty of two-stroke dominant power to take you wherever you may want to go. To learn more about the Genuine Roughhouse 50, visit your local Genuine dealer to check it out firsthand or visit genuinescooters.com. I'm James from Genuine, and thanks for watching.